Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about HLOOKUP formula. So in the last video, we will learn about lookup formula, and lookup formula means that to search database to search a value in a big database, for example, you have, and you want to search the particular data from a chart, which is quite big for you, and it's not normal for us to find it out. We just need to make sure that we need the database. So we are going to find it out the data via HLOOKUP formula, and lookup formula is basically in a ascending order, but the other lookup like HLOOKUP, and near future we're going to learn about VLOOKUP as well. So those are not basically requires to sort it out in ascending order. So for example, we can find out now H, it means the horizontally, it means that we are going to find it out the values via in rows, and lookup means is to search, and in similarly we will get the VLOOKUP as well. VLOOKUP is basically to find it out in a column, and HLOOKUP is to find it out the values in rows. So this is how we're going to find it out. And here in the lookups, there should not be any row hide. It should be if for example you hide it any value, it should be not be hidden. So as I mentioned, that horizontally HLOOKUP will allow you to find it a value horizontally. So these lookup formulas will let you to find the value from the hidden values as well. And for example, if the hidden rows are there, and if it's not required in your chart, better to delete. But if you put that a hide, it will count it out from the value as well. The reason being is I'm going to, when apply the formula, you will get to know about why I'm saying that you need to delete the rows, the unhidden rows. Now, for example, wants to know about some value. For example, the person name is person name is Aman. If I say Aman, I want to know about the value of Aman. Oops, sorry. Now for say July month, let's say that July month I want to do, I said I have write it again wrong, so you need to find it out, since in our database it would be Aman. So let's apply the formula. It is HLOOKUP. Now when you counted out the HLOOKUP, it will ask you to put the values, right? Lookup value. So lookup value, we already find out about July month. So we want to know about July month salary of Aman, because we have a huge database and we need to calculate. We need just to copy the entire database. It has been charted out. Now again, saying row index number, we have to find it out row index number. So let's find it out the index number of Aman. So in this case is 13th row, the bracket. Now here is the interesting thing is true and is false. If we say true, it means we put a value 1. If we say 0, if we say false, then it means 0. This is because if your database is not in ascending order, you need to write 0. If your database is sorted in a ascending order, then you have to write 1, which is true. So for false, you have to put 0. When you click enter, the value is with us. Aman's July month's salary was 1100, and we just got the value. So again, for example, let's find out with some other person which is called Molloy. So let's find it out of August month, and you can see once you put that August month value, Aman's salary has been changed, the number has been changed, because we just changed the database. So For example, formula it's 7900. So for example, say anything. So let me delete that Aman. Now find it out for Molloy. We find that out for Molloy. If yeah. So let's equal lookup, HLOOKUP. Click on it, bracket. Now we already find about August month. Click on August. Now the lookup, the entire database we're going to find out with copy with, and the row index number. So Molloy's row index number in this case is 8, and again column, since our database is not in ascending, so we're going to write 0. Then we close the bracket and hit enter. Molloy's August month's salary is 5,000 rupees, and we just got it. Now let me now this is how we actually do that. Now for example, I find it for the Ajay as well. Again the same formula, and say for example August, for August month itself we will find it out for Ajay. So let's find it out. Or for example, if I say that just doing a trick, I'm just inserting a row in between. For example, I insert 2 rows from the chart, and let's find it out the HLOOKUP from here. Because as I mentioned that if you have any hidden rows, then better you unhide those, and if it's not useful you can better delete it. But once you put a unhidden row, once you say unhidden, then you have to, for example, 2 rows are blank. So if I say equal HLOOKUP, the lookup value can find it out. For example, is for August month, then the table array. We have to copy the entire database. Okay. Now let's find out the Ajay's row. Now Ajay's row in this way is 11. So we need to write 11. Let's put value called 11. Now we have to minus 2 rows because it was unused. It's no use. It is taking space. But we have to delete. So 11 minus 2, because here we are not taking the syntax of Ajay. We are calculating Ajay's row as 11th row. So that is the thing. And any for example, any unhidden row will give you wrong result. So that's why we have to put 11 minus 2. Same, it's not ascending, false, 0. Hit enter, and you can find it out for Ajay. The August month's salary was 7,020. Similarly for Nathan, the value will be value will not change, because the particular Nathan's row is not changed. So it should be 18 minus 2, because Nathan's row is 18 minus 2. So that is the thing. So again we say HLOOKUP. Lookup value will be of August month, and the table array, we need to copy the entire table. Copy that, minus Nathan's particular row, which is 18 minus 2, and then the value, which is 0 in this case because it's not ascending. So 7,600. Let's find it out for August month. Nathan's value 7,600. Yeah, you got it. So this is how we find about HLOOKUP. Thanks for watching.